Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English Connection by Anita Rawat. Today we are going to dive into one of the most important parts of English grammar, verbs. A verb is a word that tells us what a person or thing does. Verb जिसे हम हिंदी में क्रिया भी कहते हैं. She runs fast. So here runs is the example of action verb. He is reading a book. Is the helping verb and reading is the main verb. There are two main types of the verbs, main verbs and auxiliary verb. Main verb we also call the principal verbs and auxiliary verb we also call the helping verbs. Main verb is the verb that shows the main action. Action means kriya and state in a sentence. State in a sentence means avastha. स्टेट वर्ब मीन्स अवस्था क्रिया. वह क्रिया होती है जिसमें व्यक्ति, वस्तु या चीज़ की स्थिति बताई जाती है, उसकी फीलिंग्स को बताया जाता है, उसके विचार को बताया जाता है, पोजीशन बताती है, दैट मीन स्वामित्व बताता है, अथॉरिटी. और ये किसी भी एक्शन को नहीं बताती बल्कि क्या बताती है, सिचुएशन या फिर कंडीशन क्या है चीज़ की या फिर किसी पर्सन की. ओके, सो it gives complete meaning by itself. She writes neatly. This is the example of action. She knows the answer. This is the example of state in a sentence. Okay. Auxiliary verbs, we also call the helping verbs. They help the main verb to form tenses, questions, negatives, and passive voice. She is reading a book. In this sentence, is the helping verb. Read is the main verb and ing we add there. So this is the present participle. So with the help of the is and ing, this is clear that this is the present continuous tense. They have finished their work, homework. So have is the helping verb and verb third form finished we use here. That means this is the present perfect. Common auxiliary verbs. Be verbs. Be verbs is MR, was, were, be, being, been. Example, she is singing. Have verbs, have, has, had. They have eaten. Do verbs, do, does, did. She does not like tea. Modal verbs, you all know that. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, etc. Example, he can swim. Main verb plus auxiliary verb. When we create sentences, auxiliary verbs help the main verb to show tense, mood or voice. We create the tenses, interrogatives, sentences, negative and so on. Here, she is reading. In this sentence, is the helping verb and reading is the main verb. Which tense? Present continuous tense. They have finished. Have is the helping verb and finished is the main verb. And here, the tense is present perfect tense. She does work well. Does here the helping verb and work is the main verb. So here this is the example of simple present tense. I will go home. Will is the helping verb and go is the main verb, and this is the example of simple future tense. क्विक समरी. मेन वर्ब एंड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. मेन वर्ब जो एक्शन की बात करता है और स्टेट की बात करता है. एक्शन क्रिया एंड स्टेट स्थिति या अवस्था. She dances. So here the dances is the example of action, and he loves chocolate. Loves here the example of state. Auxiliary verbs helps the main verb to make tenses. ये main verb की help करती है और क्या create करती है? Tenses, questions, negative sentence. Like example front of you, she is dancing. Present continuous tense. I hope you have understood difference between main verb and auxiliary verb.